Hey everybody, my name's Nina and this video is called the Hot Mess Express. I'm going to put my makeup on in a skinny minute so that I can go and do something I want to do. So we are going to use the Buffy brush today and we are going to use some Aura highlight and we're going to just get this done in a minute. I don't have much time today. We're just going to put this highlight just in the areas here that we need to, because we're going to put some contour in some other areas. I love this Buffy brush because everything just goes on so smooth. And then we're going to use the other end of the Buffy brush and I'm going to use my lighter highlight to just kind of try to decrease some of the look of this puffiness here under my eyes. Now what I've done beforehand is I have used a moisturizer and I have also used a primer, and I'll show you that. Primer, I used this one here, and so now I'm going to go in with my detailed hack brush and I'm going to use Olive as my contour because that's the one I'm liking right now. Funny thing about this makeup is that you can try different things and you'd be surprised at how versatile the colors are. Then I'm going to take my B-square brush. I'm going to kind of buff this out. And I am going to use the other end of the B-square brush, and I am using Plum as the base for my eye color. I love to do this. Oh, forgot my brows. Let's put some brows in there. Let's use this highlight, because my brows are next to invisible. Okay, there we go. Now let's put some, let's go ahead and put our cheek color on. What color do I want? I'm wearing red today, so let's try some Scarlet. And then let's just take the B-square brush and buff that out. And let's take the other end of this multitasker brush, throw some Scarlet on here. That's good for that. And now let's do the eyes. Let's throw, what do we want to put on our eyes today? Let's put a little bit of unicorn in here. This is the blend and tap. And let's just put a little bit of London on the outside. And let's put a little bit of London up underneath for my sorry about where the mirror is placed. It's not probably the best for you guys. And now let's use some, I'm liking this, what color is that highlight? Oh, I'd have to put my glasses on to see it. Sorry. It's this one. It's a, it's a cream illuminator. Just a little bit above there. And I just like some powder illuminator, so let's throw some of that on there. Amazing. Let's put some Photoshop on the eyes. Okay, let's see, do we have that blended good? What do you think? Are we blended good enough? And now we're going to take the Stay Spray and we're going to set that with that. And we're going to let that dry a little bit. While that's going like that, I'm going to kind of do the hair. And I'm not sure I got myself blended too good at the top, so let's try that a little bit more. So how's that, ladies? Are we good? Are we good? I need some mascara, but we'll do that later. That was a very quick, throw it on your face, get it done, and I'm done. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.